Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. Installing the Universal Flat Stopper with horn. In the box, you will find universal cover with the horn and service pin installed, a set of anchors and screws, and installation directions for technical support. For mounting your universal flat stopper, you will need a pen or pencil, a power drill, the appropriate drill bit for mounting, and a Phillips bit tip. Position closed cover over device to verify alarm clearance, or position bottom mounting holes close to the device, and use the frame holes to mark drilling guides. Pre-drill all 4 of the marked holes. If mounting surface requires anchors, gently hammer in all 4. Then secure the frame to the wall with screws provided. Lift the cover and pull out the service pin to activate the alarm. Keep the service pin for future maintenance. Your universal flat stopper is now ready for protecting.